Scientific name. The bilby's scientific name is Macrotis lagotis. Scientific classification. Species, Lagotis. Genus, Macrotis. Family, Thylacomidae. Order, Paramelemorphia. Subclass, Marsupialia. Class, Mammal. Subphylum, Vertebrate. Phylum, Chlorida. Kingdom, Animalia. Distribution. Bilbies were once found through all the arid and semi-arid regions of Australia, but they now can only be found in the deserts around Northern Territory, Western Australia and Queensland. Habitat. The habitat of the bilby is arid, rocky soils with little ground cover to semi-arid shrublands, woodlands, spinifex and grass regions. Role in ecosystem. The bilby's role in the ecosystem is as a primary consumer. They eat producers such as native grasses, flowering plants, and shrubs containing flowers and fruit. Extinction effects. There would be numerous effects if the bilby became extinct. It would have a huge effect on the Australian food chain and predators such as the dingo, the red fox, feral cats, and the monitor lizards. Extinction effects. Another thing that the extinction of the bilby would affect is their food source. The bilby's food source, such as native grasses, shrubs, and flowering plants, would start to overgrow without the bilbies there to eat them. Why the bilby is under threat. One of the reasons that the bilby is under threat is predators. Predators such as feral cats, dingoes, and foxes are eating bilbies because they are easy prey for them. This is a big contributor to the bilbies being an endangered species. The bilby is under threat. Another reason the bilby is under threat is human impact. We have taken up their natural habitat and used it for our houses and buildings, leaving the bilbies with much less land to live on. Humans have also created competition with them by bringing cows over, which overtake their burrows, water, and land. Who is helping? There are multiple companies doing things to keep the bilbies alive. One of these companies is Australian Wildlife Conservation, which have a partnership with Taronga Zoo. How are they helping? Australian Wildlife Conservation is helping bilbies by creating recovery projects to maintain the feral-free areas. This project ensures the protection of almost 15% of the global population of bilbies. Conclusion. In conclusion, the bilby is one of Australia's native and endangered species. This is because of both human and animal activity. If the bilby became extinct, it would greatly affect the current Australian food chain. This is why companies like Australian Wildlife Conservancy are doing so much to keep them alive.
Created using Powtoon.